Hello everyone, I'm Davey.
And I'm Navy.
Welcome to the special musical journey through the cross of Jesus. We two Nutcrackers love to help out with Larry and his gang. Our good friend Noah will also be helping out with some of the special hymns that we will be singing. And we know you'll be overjoyed with these beautiful displays as we know. Please join along with either humming or singing along with us in this presentation's beautiful hymns as we celebrate the hymns of Easter. We know you'll be glad to come along and stay with us. Now let the hymns begin.